Are you one of those cyclists struggling to get your sock length right? Well, then I'm here to help you. Because I've just realized that I've invented the perfect way of calculating your optimal sock length. Leonardo da Vinci, you know him, right? Who invented and started using the golden ratio. Leonardo made the principle of the golden ratio known everywhere. But actually, it was the mathematician Fibonacci who really invented it. You make your measurement from the inside of the shoe up towards the crotch, which for me would be 80 centimeters. And now that we know the inseam of the leg length, we can start calculating what's going to be right. When we know the inseam of the leg, which is 80, we need to divide it by 1.6, which in this example will be 50 centimeters. And with these 50 centimeters, you can actually choose. Do you want 50 centimeters of exposed skin, or do you want 50 centimeters of clothing? And as for the 2023 version of this video, I'm going to pull these pants a little bit down to make them a bit longer, which is really trendy this year, I know. So as I've got the bib length of 29, we got the exposed skin, which is gonna be 30. That leaves 21 centimeters for the sock length, for everything to become right. So how am I gonna get these low-cut socks that high? It's actually impossible. I need to do some sort of alteration. So I just needed to do this little adjustment. And then, as you can see, my socks are now just perfect according to this golden rule. I'm now ready for the final control measurement. As we're going to have 50 centimeters of clothing, it will leave 30 centimeters of skin exposed. Let's see. We are there. So finally, we reached the harmony. But how was this possible? I just had to make this little tiny alteration of my socks. After wasting my socks explaining all this, I still have to tell you that for me, the golden ratio actually is the other way around. With the 80 centimeters of inseam, I prefer having 50 centimeters of skin, 30 centimeters of clothing. But that's a totally different story, and I'll tell you why in some other video. So thanks for now. Ciao ragazzi! This is really bad, but for the sake of the art, I just had to do it. And Lee Turner, I really hope you're happy now.